Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Miller welder parts is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious welder, ensuring your equipment runs at peak performance and delivers consistent, high-quality welds every single time. When you're in the middle of a critical project, the last thing you want is a faulty part causing downtime or compromising the integrity of your work, which is why investing in genuine, reliable Miller components is paramount for professionals and hobbyists alike who demand durability and precision from their welding machines. Number 5. Miller Hobart MIG Welding Gun Accessory Kit. This is a comprehensive accessory kit designed for your MIG welding gun. It includes essential components to keep your welding operations running smoothly. Specifically engineered to fit Millermatic M10 and M15 models, as well as Hobart H9 and H10 guns. Ensure compatibility with your existing equipment. The kit features 20 contact tips, each measuring 0.035 inches. These are crucial for maintaining a stable arc and ensuring clean welds. It also includes 2 gas nozzles with a 1-2-inch opening. These help direct shielding gas effectively, protecting your weld pool from contamination. You'll also find 2 gas diffusers in this set. They play a vital role in distributing the shielding gas evenly for optimal weld quality. This kit provides all the necessary parts to maintain and enhance your welding performance. Get back to welding with confidence. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of essential consumables for your welding gun. With a generous quantity of contact tips, gas nozzles, and diffusers, you'll be well equipped for various welding tasks. If you're looking to stock up and ensure you have replacements readily available for your Millermatic M10, M15, or Hobart H9, H10 welders, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Fit my Millermatic 211 very well and fixed the porosity issue air was having. This kit worked perfectly for my Miller MIG welding gun. Economical and that many tips should keep me in business for quite a while. Es un producto de buena calidad y cuidado perfectamente para soldar. Number 4. Miller Genuine Liner 15-foot 4 Millermatic Series. Introducing the Miller Genuine Liner, designed for your Millermatic Series welder. This 15-foot liner ensures optimal performance for your welding tasks. Engineered for a precise fit, it seamlessly integrates with your Millermatic equipment. Experience reliable and consistent welding results every time. Crafted with durability in mind, this liner is built to withstand demanding welding environments. It's a long-lasting solution for your professional needs. Achieve enhanced welding performance with this high-quality component. It's designed to maintain consistent wire feed for smoother operation. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to get back to your projects quickly. This essential part ensures your welder operates at its best. Trust in the genuine quality of Miller products. This liner is the perfect replacement or upgrade for your Millermatic series welder. What we like. Ensure optimal performance and longevity with this genuine Miller liner. Designed for precise compatibility with your Millermatic series welder, it guarantees a smooth wire feed. If you prioritize using authentic parts for your welding equipment and want to maintain the highest quality of your welds, this is the liner you should choose. What people say. The Miller welding machine is a high-quality product. It is a reliable and durable welding machine. Number 3. JEENDA Fuel Pump 198756. Ensure your equipment runs smoothly with this high-quality fuel pump. It's designed for consistent performance and durability. This part is compatible with a wide range of engines and equipment, including Bobcat, Miller Welder, and Kohler generators. It also fits various Honda engines. Specifically designed to replace Kohler part numbers like 24393-16S and 24393-4S, ensuring a perfect fit for your Kohler engine. This fuel pump is an excellent choice for many Kohler lawn mower engines, including models like CH13 through CH750 and CV series. It's also compatible with various Ryobi and Husqvarna lawn tractor models, providing a versatile solution for your needs. This pump is engineered to meet the demands of powerful engines, including many Kawasaki engine models, ensuring optimal fuel delivery. What we like. This fuel pump is engineered for dependable performance across a wide range of engines, including Kohler and Honda. It ensures consistent fuel flow to keep your equipment running smoothly. If you're experiencing fuel delivery issues with your Bobcat welder or a compatible generator and need a reliable replacement, this pump is a solid option. What people say. It came in just a couple of days. Was a direct fit. Fast shipping and worked great in place of my old Miller Bobcat 250 welder. This was a direct replacement for my Miller Bobcat 225 NT with the Kohler CH20 engine on it. The quality of the part appears good upon arrival and time will tell. It works perfectly as right after installation I cranked the engine for about 20 seconds and it started. Number 2. 250A MIG welding gun for Millermatic. Introducing a premium quality 250 amp replacement MIG gun. It's designed to be a direct fit for your welding needs. This torch is a perfect replacement for specific Miller welding guns like the GA20C, GA21C, and M25. It seamlessly fits a wide range of Millermatic models, including the 200, 210, 212, 250, 250X, 251, 252, and vintage. You can continue to use standard Miller front consumables with this gun. This includes the gas nozzle, tip adapter, nozzle adapter, and contact tips. It is designed to work with .030 to .035 inch diameter welding wire, ensuring versatility for your projects. This specific kit comes with a 15-foot length, providing ample reach for most welding applications. What we like. Upgrade your welding setup with this premium quality 250 amp MIG gun. It's designed as a direct replacement for several popular Miller models, ensuring easy integration. If you're a professional or serious hobbyist working with thicker materials or requiring higher duty cycles on your Millermatic 200 through 252 series welders, this gun will provide the power and reliability you need. What people say. The Miller welder parts are known for their durability and reliability, ensuring consistent performance even in demanding work environments. Users appreciate the precise control offered by these parts, allowing for fine-tuning of welding parameters to achieve high-quality welds. The design facilitates easy installation and maintenance, reducing downtime and improving overall workshop efficiency. Number 1. Masterweld Miller M25 MIG Welding Gun Torch. Meet the Masterweld Miller M25, a premium MIG welding gun designed for professional use. Experience superior performance and durability with this high-quality tool. This gun features the classic Miller-style MIG configuration, ensuring compatibility and ease of use for those familiar with Miller equipment. It's built for reliable operation. Engineered for the Miller 250 amp M25 series, it delivers consistent power and control for your welding projects. Tackle demanding jobs with confidence. With a generous 15-foot cable, you'll have the extended reach you need to maneuver around your workpiece comfortably. This allows for greater flexibility in your workspace. Crafted with pride in the USA, this welding gun represents exceptional quality and American manufacturing standards. Invest in a tool that's built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use in professional environments. You can depend on it for consistent, high-quality welds every time. What we like. Experience the quality of American manufacturing with this Miller M25 style MIG welding gun. Built for durability and performance, it's rated for 250 amps, making it suitable for demanding jobs. If you appreciate robust construction and are looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement gun for your 250 amp Miller welding machine, this USA-made option is a fantastic choice. What people say. This gun works great and has the same parts as the Miller original. I put this on my Miller 252, works awesome. A great replacement for the Miller torch I ran over with a tractor. Excellent quality. Fit and finish is spot on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.